Now let's add icons to our menu item. So for right now, if you see in here, if I click on the open, you can see that we have an icon section that we can add. Now for that, the first thing is that I have already added some icons in my PyCharm project. You can see that I have created a new directory at name of part3, and in here I have images, and the images I have the icons. You can get these icons from the resources of the course. Now if you see in here, we have in here you can see we have action editor, and we have signal or slot editor, and also we have resource browser. Now in the resource browser we can add our resources. Let me just click on this, and in here I want to just create a new resource, and from here I can choose, for example, I want to save my resource in the images. For example, I can just call it images, and I can just click on save, and after that we can just add prefix, and I can just call it images, and in here we can add now add files. We can add files, and you can see that in the part3 I have images. I can just copy all the images, click on open, and I can just click on open. So you can see that in the resource now I have these icons. Now after this we can just click on open, and from here we can click on the icons and choose a resource, and I have images resource. From here we can just choose our images. So the first one is open, and we can just say open.png, and now you can see we have open in here. Let's add the icons for all of our menu items. So choose file, and we have open, and after that we have I think it's action save, and it should be save, and we have so now this should be for the new, I think. Yeah, I have choose resource images and action open. Yeah, this is open, no problem, but for the new we don't have any icon for the new. Exit, font, italic, left. Yeah, we have this for the new, and let's just click on the new. We can just choose resources, images, and we can grab the new from here. So yeah, new.png, and we have a print. Let's choose resources, and we can just grab print.png. We have print preview, choose resources, and we should see print preview in here, and we have export PDF, and let's just choose resources, and from here we can just grab PDF from here. And also we have quit icon, images, and it is exit.png. So if I preview this, now you can see that we have new open save print and with the icons. Now let's add for the edit. We have undo icon, and I can just choose resources, images. Let's just come down. We should see undo in here, undo.png. We have redo. You can just say choose resources, redo.png. We have cut, where is cut? Cut.png, copy.png. Now let me finish all, or I can just add it. So paste, we have paste, choose resources, images, it should be in here, paste.png. So this is also completed. For the format we have bold, and I can just go to the resources, bold.png. We have choose resources, and it is italic, and also underline like this. We have left, choose resources, images, left.png, and we have right, and let me just choose the right icon here. So we have left, and this is right.png, and also we have center that we can just grab, choose resources, and it is center.png. We have justify, where is it, and it should be in here, so justify.png. And for the font we can just grab, choose resources, and we have font, and the color, I think I also have an icon for the color. Let me just check. Yeah, color.png. And for the about, I think, let me just check that I have an icon in here. Images, yeah, about.png. So now let me just preview this and let's see how it's looking. We have a date, we have format, bold, italic, underline, left, font, color, and we have about. Now also I'm going to just click on my main window. I want to change the title, so window title, and I can just make it Notepad app. Also I'm going to add a text edit in here, and let's just make the layout, for example, horizontally. Preview. So now I can write in here, I can make it bigger like this, and I have these menu items. Now let's save this. We can just save this to the part 3, and I can just call it Notepad demo. Save. And in here we have our Notepad demo. Let's open our terminal and we can just convert this. And I want to just call it Notepad demo.ui, and it should be notepad.py. So we need to change the directory to this, and let me just okay, now I'm in the part 3, and now I can just convert this, and let's check. We have our notepad.py. Now right now you can see that we have our all codes just in one file. Now first let me just run this. Okay, so now we are not seeing the icons in here, I think, but I'll fix this. Now the main problem is this: I want to add a toolbar in here, so I forgot to add toolbar. So I can just right click on this, and I can just say add toolbar, and after that from the action editor, so you can see I can add some items to the toolbar, so like this. So this is new, open, save, print, we have action, print preview, export PDF, we can add cat, copy, paste, redo, and for example undo. So it's good. Preview. So now we have our toolbar in here, and we have our menu. Now let's just save this again, because now we can convert this in here. So, and now it's changed. If I run this again, so we have just one icon in here, but we have our toolbar. Now the problem is this. Now let me just check my icons in here. So you can see that I have this in here. I can just remove this. So now if I run this again, now you can see I have the icon in here. Now let's just do for all of them. We don't need this. We just need images save.png. We can just remove this. We can just remove this. And it should be for all of the icons that we have. I think it's completed, and now we can check this. So we have our menu toolbar with the items. We have our file, new, open, save, print, preview, export. We have our date. We have our format. We have our about. We can write in here, and also we can just make it bigger or make it smaller, and we can close that.